If you have an Xbox controller and you're kind of tired of using batteries, let me show you a method or like an aftermarket product that you can use to fix that. So it's a battery that you can charge via USB-C. So you plug in to the controller, and then it comes with a little sort of backing over here, which obviously you'll put it right here. So you'll take this one out, replace it with this, and then you'll be able to charge the controller with USB-C. So it's really cool. All you have to do is remove this part, and then you're going to take your battery for the controller, and then you're going to put it inside. So now that you got that in, you have a little bracket which the battery companies always provide, and you just simply put it in. So you just stick it in there, and you just click it in, just like that. Now that it's in, now it's working, and you can even see it. If I hold the power button, it's turning on, and you're able to connect it to whatever device you need to connect it to. It's that simple. You don't need to replace batteries no more. It's pretty eco-friendly, I would say, because you don't change the batteries anymore. You just use this one, and yeah, it's more convenient. You just plug it in, charge it, and then you're good to go. Easy.